Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you my best way how to upgrade Flutter. Here you can still click up here Flutter upgrade, but the best way for me to do it is just to type Flutter upgrade. Go into my terminal to type Flutter upgrade. From there hit enter. Upgrading Flutter is going, as you can see, 25.5 change, 574 in section, so it is going. Building Flutter tools, so it's upgrading. But if you click here, it's gonna do it, but it's not gonna do it the way when you type Flutter upgrade. It's gonna do it. So that's why I prefer doing it this way. This is my best way of doing it. Even though there are so many ways of doing it. It's the upgrading. Updating C38 2B. Running Flutter doctor summary to see all detail. Run Flutter doctor. It's the upgrading. Flutter channel stable. Found issue. Yes, it is finished. So this is my app name. So everything is finished. So guys, this is my best way of upgrading Flutter. So if you have anything to say, please leave it down in the comment below. And if you're new here, please do subscribe for more Flutter video every week. Until then, see you guys.